We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to do a printhead cleaning on a Canon Pixma G7020. So right here on your little screen pad you have your tools button. It looks like a screwdriver. Go ahead and click that. And you want to go all the way over to maintenance. And then once you hit maintenance, you're going to hit OK. It says nozzle check. Then it says cleaning. Go ahead and hit OK. Your printer should then start initializing and start your cleaning. If you're still seeing defects after you've done your printhead cleaning, there is an option if you scroll over to the next one. It's called a deep cleaning. You would might want to try that after the cleaning if you're still seeing defects. After you do all your cleanings, if you're still seeing defects in your print jobs, then go ahead and give us a call. It may be time to put your printer in for service. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.